In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Affinity from the official website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make the right choice for your computer, all without any confusion. First, open your web browser of choice and head to the official download page by typing affinity.studio/download into the address bar. Take a moment to confirm you're on the genuine site by checking the spelling of the URL and looking for the secure lock icon next to it. This helps you avoid any misleading pages and ensures you're getting the authentic installer. Once the page loads, you'll be in the right place to grab the software safely. On the download page, you'll see a clear button that says Get Affinity. Click that. Before the download begins, the site may ask you to sign in. Go ahead and sign in to your Affinity account so your download can be associated with your profile and license. If you're already signed in, you can move forward right away. After that, you'll be prompted to choose the version that fits your operating system. Pick Mac OS if you're on a Mac, or Windows if you're on a PC. If you're unsure which one you need, a quick way to double check is to think about the computer you're currently using. Choose the option that matches it so the installer will run correctly later. When you select your platform, the download should start automatically. Some browsers might ask you to confirm or choose a location, so just accept the prompt and let it save to your default downloads folder. It's a good idea to notice the file name as it begins so you can find it easily afterwards. On a Mac, you'll typically see a file ending in .dmg, and on Windows, it will usually end in .xe or .msi. If the download doesn't start right away, look for a link on the page that says something like Start Download and click it again to retry. That's it. Once the file begins downloading, you're done with the website part. You've successfully obtained the official installer for your operating system. From here, you can monitor the progress in your browser's downloads panel, and when it completes, you'll be ready to install. Installation steps can vary slightly between Mac OS and Windows, so follow the prompts specific to your system when you're ready. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you now know the fastest, most reliable way to download Affinity directly from the source.